Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today I'm going to show you how to teach kids how to color within the lines. This is a problem I had at the beginning of every year of preschool. The kids want to color in the lines, but they just don't know how to because they need to work on their fine motor skills and they need to learn the cues to learn when to stop coloring. So I have made these two resources that help teach kids how to color in the lines. The first one is a cardboard cutout. I make a cutout of whatever we're working on. So for today's example, we're making apples. I make a cutout out of cardboard boxes. I just use a box cutter and I outline it with the colors I want the kids to use when they color. For my second resource, I just need a piece of paper. I use a marker to outline the shape I want them to color and the color I want them to use. After that, this is where the trick comes in. I use a hot glue gun. The silicone from the hot glue gun, when it dries, becomes hard and makes a hard border. This hard border can be felt when they are using the crayon to color, and once they touch the hard border, they can't cross it easily, so they know they need to stop. And finally, now we're ready to have them color in the lines without having aids to help them stop. They're just going to rely on visual cues. So they're going to have to look at the outline and know to stop when they reach it. So these are the three stages. Our first stage, cardboard cutout. This is the easiest stage because they just have to color. If they do accidentally go across the barrier, it's going to be on the cardboard and it won't show on the paper. So this is the first stage. Now we're on to stage 2. The silicone border makes it hard for them to color outside, and they have a physical cue to help them know when to stop. Now finally, they color directly onto the piece of paper without a border. They need to depend on their visual cues to help them know when to stop coloring. This is the final stage, and this means they're ready to color within the lines. So here are the three stages again, with a cardboard cutout. Second, with a silicone glue rim. And finally, they are ready to color all on their own.